Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites, 2 classes leveled and basic gear assigned. Once done, pick your first actionable class pair. For early nights, choose Tank plus Healer for survivability. Equip both with quick access hotbar slots and set 1 or 2 simple macros to swap stances or heals fast. You do this now to avoid downtime later. It ensures you can switch mid-encounter without fumbling menus and keeps momentum into the first night cycles. Once you're comfortable with basics, focus on the complex middle. Practice short 30 to 60-second rotations for each class so you can perform under pressure. Make switching decisions around cooldown windows or major enemy waves. This maximizes burst uptime and minimizes resource waste. You should alternate classes when one hits downtime, not constantly. Also, watch resource pools, mana, stamina, so swaps restore efficiency rather than create shortages. Repeat this pattern. To finish strong, coordinate a final stacked burst. Trigger major abilities from both classes in the last 10 to 15 seconds of fights. After the run, review what worked, tweak gear, reassign perks, and adjust your swap timing. If things go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Reduce swap frequency and simplify each class rotation until success is consistent. You will regain speed. Simplifying lets you identify the breaking point and prevents compounding mistakes in future attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.